can see here is a number of different projects that I want to work on for the evolution of electronics, and that means all of the old electronics that we have we can rebuild and remake into some new projects, and that's the whole point of evolving your electronics. As you can see, I thought the best way to start today would be to do a lighting project, since the concept is glowworm, and that's where we are. So what do we have? Basically, I've got this light, which was actually a halogen light, but that's got to be cut down. This is extremely sharp, and I want to make this into a really nice colourful LED light with the holes. I think it's going to look really, really, really good. That's where we are with that one. This was an old gas lamp. It was an electric lamp, and the filament was just here. I will show photographs of that a bit later on. But that filament, it was extremely dangerous, and I want to change this into a LED light, and using the metal as a good reflective source. I've got these two lamps here. As you can see, this is supposedly a working lamp, but if I turn the lights off, it's not very good. It's very dim. It's supposed to be a work lamp for painting, and to be quite frank, it's rubbish. So I'm going to change this one. As you can see, that's how much light I have of this one. If I turn off my lighting here on the other side, this is a Rolly phone style lamp. You can see how not bright that is. So there's going to be a little bit of grain on that part of the video, but that's where we are. So this one here is a halogen lamp, and that one is extremely hot, and it's obviously broken, so I'm going to take the internals of this one. I think the casing is very similar. I'm going to put that into this one here.
Take the remote unit from its handy storage space, and you're set for hours of pure pleasure. Enjoy your favorite programs, black and white or color. Turn the set on, select your channel, see all color shows in living color. Once you've adjusted fine-tuning for each channel, you never need touch fine-tuning again, either at the set or on the remote unit.
Even better. Now I can see what I'm doing. So I should just have a twin peak in there, and I think I've realised what I want to do is follow this line around here. This is the bit that's the dip. I want to cut off all of this point. It's going to be very difficult here because it's angled, but I've got an angle grinder, right? So it'll be okay, hopefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go one line down below the one I want to cut, and I'll go underneath those circles. So this is the line I'm going to above the green tape is the line that I want to cut. Just imagine if you didn't have to use the angle grinder, and with magic you could do this. So much easier, really. So this is where we are. It's now been cut off. It's a little bit spindly. This thing's not right. I want to make this into a custom light. My idea was to have this. This is from a glass piece from a weigh scale. This is from a speaker baffler, and the reflection that you see is from an old projector. But anyway, they're little mirrors that, look, we can build stuff. My idea was to put this on top so that when the light exfoliates from the metal, you also have some illumination on the top. But of course, I didn't realise, and this is now my problem, is that this is square, but the top isn't. So maybe that's where we should put it. Just an idea. Looks a little bit crazy, I know, but let's see what happens when we start to put light from underneath this construction. This we can keep, it's sharp, but we try and throw nothing away. The whole point of this is to use everything that you create, and that could be a nice tower light.